Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Traci, and myself. This is our mood inspiration piece. And then we also have a list of products that you can include in your kit. All right, this is the items that I pulled from my kit. I have two photographs of my husband and I. He's the prominent person in the photograph. I'll point myself out in a minute. These are the 4 sheets of paper that I picked. 1 yellow cardstock from Close to My Heart, 2 pattern papers from Simple Stories, and then that plaid or gingham check, a red and white paper is from Close to My Heart. All right, I'm going to take this paper from Simple Stories, and I'm going to cut that 9 by, I'm going to tell you the measurements right now. I think it's 11 and a half. I'm going to jump a little ahead of myself so that I can put in a little announcement. But anyway, I will map my photographs using the red and white polka dot paper from Simple Stories. I will also take that plaid or gingham paper that's red and white from Close to My Heart, and I will cut that piece 6 by 8 1/4. So I'm cutting that one right now. So I do that first before I map my photograph with the red and polka dot paper. I will also double mat that gingham plaid paper with white daisy cardstock just to add a little pop, and you're going to see that in a minute. So right now I'm adjusting my photos because they are originally 4 by 6, but I trim them off just a tad, and that's what you're going to see me do right here. While I have a moment, I want to remind everybody I will have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links listed below in the description box. So here is where I'm like, oh, I just need it to pop a little bit. So I get out a scrap paper of daisy white cardstock, and that's where I double map that. And it just adds that little subtle pop and gives you that definition between the yellow cardstock from Close to My Heart, that nice, beautiful floral pattern paper, especially when I go to add the embellishment. So I'm using the sticker sheet from Close to My Heart, Summer Vibes. I've got the one that says, the word phrase that says, soak up the sun, and I decide that I am going to add foam adhesive to give it some dimension, an opportunity for me to layer underneath my title. So that's the reason why I decided to add the foam adhesive. And that foam adhesive is not from Close to My Heart. I purchased that probably 6-7 months ago off of Amazon. So I'm adding the flower sticker to the back, and I don't add any foam adhesive. I also added from the sticker sheet those flip-flops, that word phrase that says take it easy. So I've got my cluster started in the lower right hand corner. I'm not done, but I'm going to jump over here to the kind of the middle over to the right. So I have the sticker sheet that is a ball, and then I have 3 word phrases. The smallest one in red says enjoy. That one that's meant with white words says my happy place, and then the other one says perfect day. All those sticker sheets came off of the Close to My Heart Summer Vibes. I've got my acrylic pieces out from the Summer Vibes from Close to My Heart. I decided to add the palm tree over to the right. I kind of entertained putting it over there to the left, but changed my mind. I have a star right there, but I decided to change that out. You're going to see that in a minute. I have these puffy phrases and icons that I've been slowly working through the last 2 months. And those are from Bella Boulevard Illustrated Faith Collection. So I decide with that heart that says love, and then the XOXO down here in the corner, the lower right corner. And then I added sequins off camera, and they are just in my stash, and I placed a few to the right and a few to the left. I'm going to pick up my layout, and I'm going to show you all the shine from the glitter, from the sequins, and also from the Close to My Heart sticker sheet. It has, they call it a vinyl finish. It's just got a nice shine. And also I added a dolly over there underneath the photograph. Now, you can see my husband's hat right there. That's me peeking behind him. We are floating down the river, and I'm tied up behind him, and he's fishing. So that's why you can barely see me, and he snapped this selfie of us. Here comes a close-up. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Be sure to tell where, who, what, where, and when. All right, we'll see you next time, and keep coming back. Give us a thumbs up. Bye.